Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue where you connect your phone to your PC through USB and it doesn't recognize your phone. Now I just plugged my device and it is actually detected. You can hear the sound, but my device is not showing up here. Now the issue is very simple. We need to install an additional package to our Windows. This may be Windows 10 or Windows 11, but it will work regardless. So first, go to the search bar and then search for settings. Now open the settings and then by the left you can see apps, or you can just search for apps. So let's click on apps here. Now click on optional features over here, click on it and you can see some of the optional features that has been installed. Now we are going to click on add an optional feature, so click on view features by the right and then scroll down. The feature we are looking for is called media feature pack, so you can see over here media feature pack. Now this is what we need. Once we install this, we should be able to connect our phone to our PC through USB. So we just have to click on it and then click on next and then click on install, and it should install this package. Now make sure you're connected to the internet because it has to download and install this package. So you can see it has been successfully installed. Now all you have to do is restart your PC. Now after restarting your PC, you can then try to connect your device and then check again. So let's connect our device through USB and you can see my smartphone is now showing over here and I can view files, copy files, or do whatever I want to do. So basically this is how to fix the connectivity issue with your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.